Right, we are set. Okay.
Resume or finish. Recording. Start. Track saved.
Okay, we are here. I'm gonna go over there until I hit the bridge and then go back.
GPS OK.
GoPro, start recording. Alright, let's do this. Let's go this way.
Go.
Going. Hi. Morning. Okay. Let's raise it up. We're gonna be riding in Oyster Creek. This is just a short trail, unlike George Bush Park. Hi. So I'm gonna go turn here until we hit the bridge. Coming through it. Up, sir. Thank you.
I'm like, it'd be really cute with a cardigan.
Even though it's on weekdays, there's a lot of people walking and riding bike in this area. That was it. There's the dead end in there. This is how short the trail is. Yeah, let's get this. I'll just show you guys this part. There's really nothing in here. So we could start in here. Going all the way to Jollibee area. Alright. It's getting colder, man. As you ride a bike, the wind is hitting your face. It's really making you feel cold. Now we're gonna enter the off-road trail from here. I upgraded the rear suspension on this one. That's why it's very smooth, even though it's folding now. Since that memorial incident that I didn't continue because My rear suspension is really bad. It's a spring type suspension, coil suspension. Now I have the air with a rebound adjustment. That's why this one is so much better. Okay, gonna enter the off-road in here. See that? Gonna enter this.
Pause.
Okay.
Go.
Oh man, it's wet. It's muddy. I'm muddy right now. Yeah, too many fallen branch. It's muddy, man. Nah, never mind this. Way too muddy. I'm gonna It's alright, let's continue. It's not that serious. Woo. Suspension is doing pretty good so far. Rider, it's gonna go slow because it's slippery. You don't want to get into an accident now. Rider, too many falling branch. It's not a deal. Because the other day it's really too windy, man. There's a severe thunderstorm. Whew. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's slippery, man. Yeah, let's just finish this rotation and continue with the paved road. Let's just chill right on the pave. If I go a little bit more faster, I'm gonna slide. Take this side. La la la. Ooh la la. Oop, branches. And it's going downhill. Oh. Whoa. Probably tomorrow it's gonna dry out if it don't rain today. It's gonna be better to ride in here tomorrow. Look at it. Ooh. It's rideable, but if you go fast, you're gonna slide. It's really muddy. Whew. This is so much better because I used to ride this folding bike in here. It's struggling so hard. Alright, now it's performing well. Look at all these bike truck. It's brush. Whew. Way too muddy. Hold on. Yeah.
Pause. Go.
Whew. Let's go. GoPro stop recording. There you go. It's working. Squirrel. That's it. It's nice. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's go inside. That was fun. And now my bike is messed up. We're just gonna pressure wash it in the house. We can ride it again later on. GoPro stop recording. Kind of bouncy. Alright, morning.
Morning.
Morning. Whew. Jesus. Gonna go straight and we're gonna go in Jollibee area. We're heading to the Jollibee area. Just going all the way from here till we hit the bayou. Coming through. Coming through, ma'am. She's on her head, so it's okay. Got it. Excuse me, ma'am. She's in the headset, that's why. Hike. Park over there. Oh yeah. Park. We're back in the soccer field. These are really small park compared to Brazos River and George Bush Park. It's not really that big, but it's really relaxing to ride too. That's why I always chosen to ride in here. And it's a beautiful park. Oops. Morning.
Tiene que saber algo.
One port mile. It's not that long. So we're good. I think I need to put more pressure on this
If you would continue
on the chamber one, because it's a little bit bouncy, but just gotta on your left, sir. Coming through. This is what I want in our area. You see those power line, power tower? They should build a trail in the middle, just like in here. They have it. You can actually ride in the middle of that. I'll show you. This is the main park over here on my right. I'm gonna go there. Damn, it's muddy as hell. Ah, that's good, it's wet. It's gonna clean my tire. Whew. Hi. It's alright. Oops. Then the trail is gonna continue in here, but let's check out the main park first before we go in the jolly. Oh my god, my tire's a mess. So It's the main park in here.
Head southeast on Oyster Creek Trail. Then turn left to stay on Oyster Creek Trail.
It's just going around. So.
Make a U-turn.
Coming through. So turn right here.
Turn right onto Oyster Creek Trail.
Somebody.
In 800 feet, turn left to stay on Oyster Creek Trail.
So we're heading to Jollibee. I'm gonna turn left in here, hitting probably another off-road. Yeah, now I don't know. We'll see.
Turn left to stay on Oyster Creek Trail. In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Just gonna go straight ahead in there until we hit the Jollibee. Love the weather.
Your destination is on the right.
This GPS want me to jump in a river. Destination on the right. Be true. Now let's just drive. Let's just ride slowly. Enjoy the nature, you know. So I repeat, this is Oyster Creek in Sugar Land, Texas. I always ride in here, but I never got to record this. Every time I get into this place, I don't have my cameras, just my cell phone taking pictures. I never got to record my ride in there. So going back, I'm gonna switch my GoPro to helmet mount position. That's why we got extra batteries with me. Oh yes, sir. My other pocket. I thought I lost it. Let's take this route. Going back, we're gonna take that other side. Look at the rivers. Look like a swamp. Coming through to your left,
And then if someone
coming through to
says-
your right. Ooh, squirrels. Man, squirrel always getting me close to an accident, and sometimes I'm not gonna brake. Just gonna roll on them. It's their fault. Back. I'm gonna be crossing this street. Hi. On the other side, because there's no bottom trail going the other side. You know, gotta say, what's up? Oh shit, I'm tired. I don't know why I'm so tired right now. I just hope that I don't feel bonk while riding here. Not too early though. Yeah, we're gonna do bike check when we get in the Jolly. Yeah, Loki Sugarland is so beautiful. Love this place. Katy too, but for me, I kind of prefer Sugarland. I just hope that they build a trail under the bridge, you know, so people don't need to cross just to get by on the other side of the trail. Because actually it's kind of possible. Let's see. Yeah, it's possible to link it under the bridge. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. They can build a trail under that bridge so everyone can just cross.
Pause.
Okay, we're heading to Jollibee. Jollibee. It's a little far, but we'll get there. Let me type. So I don't know if it can show into my camera. Oh. It's making me want to go in Yep. Somebody. Hold on. Let me change my map. Oh, the Jollibee's here. Not the Jollibee in the Westheimer.
Pause.
Jollibee, Missouri. There you go. All right.
Go.
Just straight ahead. Look at that speed. Still far. 12 minutes. Hi. 25 mile. I don't know what is the marking. Probably those who build this trail. Because this trail is going all the way to southeast, so it's pretty far. And we're not gonna do that with this bike, with road bike. Can ride in here. Look how beautiful this trail are. The trees, right? Like something you see in a dream. Malaki ng puno. Do we have a birch tree in here in Texas? Not sure. Okay. Look what. So good to ride in a bayou greenway trail. It's so relaxing, and the fresh air making you feel so good. Ten minutes, we're not even halfway. It's pretty far, to be honest. But look at this trail, it's beautiful. Going all the way over there. 1.8 mile. There's nothing to the thing I'm riding. Oh, let's take a picture in there.
Pause.
In this section, they have under the bridge trail, so we don't need to cross the street. This is what I want on the other side, so you can just continue riding. They will do that. I'm sure they will.
Turn left on Oyster Creek Trail.
My camera is moving a lot because I have a battery on the side of my waist that keeps on folding my camera upside down. I mean, going forward and backward because of the weight.
Left on Oyster Creek Trail.
Woo.
Continue on Oyster Creek Trail for 1
Albertina
mile.
Olive. Morning. They can actually build another trail on the other side if they want to. Look at too wide. It's kind of look like it's good to ride on off-road. If a bike trail builder gonna have a heads up, and the city let them build off-road for MTV, they're gonna do that on the side of the bayou. Look at that. It's a lot of big empty spaces. Or they can just make another paved trail like this. There's a lot of good trails in here in Houston. You're the one who's gonna choose where you wanna ride. But my favorite is gonna be George Bush Park. Always. That place is special. And then Aliana, to my cousin's place. I love that place. Easy to access trail, friendly people, beautiful scenery. And it's a long trail. You can do multiple loops and get your exercise without going further places. It's a good loops. That's what I do. I always do 3 lapses. Hiya, center. Almost here. We are almost here. Morning. Look at that egret just chilling on the bayou. I don't know if I should go straight or I should take the road in here. Just point me.
In half a mile, turn left onto FM 1092 Road North.
Walmart. No, let's go straight. Let's go straight. So we can complete the entire trail. Just want to ride 2 hours, that's it. And go back home. We're like 30 minutes away driving to my place. Looks like Manila to Bulacan. coming through. Manila to Bulacan. All right. This is like my 11th ride with this folding bike in here on the Oyster on the off-road trail, and I've been having blast. It's a nice place, cozy place to relax. Oops. Damn. Got scared, man. It's going fast. So you can see that coming. All right. Oops. Rider. Okay, we are here. Just gonna cross the street on the traffic light, over there. At home, say Jollibee. Okay, this looks cool.
Pause.
Yeah, let's take a peek over there.
Go. In 500 feet, turn left on FM 1092 Road North.
GoPro, stop recording.
Go.
GoPro, stop recording. Oops. Stupid.
Pause.
Right.
Turn left to 1792 Road South. Turn left on Hampton Drive. Turn left on Hampton Drive, then turn right.
Oh, we're gonna turn left in there. Job B is gonna be here.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
Nah, we entered the wrong side. Right now, let's go. Let's go around.
In 150 feet, turn left. In 150 feet, turn left. Turn left, then turn left.
Okay. Hold on, let me ready my cell phone. That's my gloves. Glove is getting in the way. Jesus.
Pause. Go.
All right.
Pause.
So we are here in Jollibee.
Go.
Oops. Go. Jollibee. Look at that.
Then your destination will be on the right.
Jollibee. Kami lagi kumakain ni Big Boy pag off niya. It's pretty far from my place. It's like 30 minutes. It's not that far. So yeah. So we're gonna turn right over there. Yep. All right. Back to Oyster Creek. Where is it?
Pause.
Direction. All right.
Head toward Township Lane. Go.
Yeah. Let's change the battery. GoPro, stop recording.